In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I clean my vinyl collection and how I'm re-sleeving it. So when it comes to cleaning your vinyl records, you're going to want to lay them on a nice soft material, like this is a towel. I use a spray cleaner. I get this from my local record store. And I have a microfiber cloth. So what I usually do is I give it a couple sprays, maybe 3 sprays if it's a really dirty record. But I'll just go around here and just kind of clean it up here. And if there's any extra dirty spots, I give it a little extra scrub just to get rid of those fingerprints or whatever it might be. Then I just kind of buff it out a little bit at the end. Then I flip it over. And I do the same on the other side. Now once that's done, I go ahead and I grab my sleeves. Now these sleeves I purchased at Vinyl Storage Solutions. They are 3 mil thick and I really like these sleeves. I'll put a link down below to show you where I got these at. So then I just take the record, I pick it up with the fingers on the label on the back and my thumb along the edge because I don't want to put any new fingerprints back on it. I just slide it into the sleeve and set that aside. Then I get my outer sleeves out that I also got from Vinyl Storage Solutions. Now these are a 4 mil thick sleeve and the link will be down below. And what I like about this is it's really crystal clear. It really makes the image really pop when you're looking at your record. And it has a flap with the adhesive on the body. I don't like the tape when it's on the flap because then the record seems to get stuck on there, or the sleeve gets stuck on there. And it also has a separate pocket, a double pocket. So we'll put our record in here and our inner sleeve in the other. I'll show you all that. So I take the sleeve, I lay it down, flap side down, and I take my record face down, the opening going in first. I slide that in all the way. Then I peel off this tape and I seal this record. Now, the side where the spine is where the fold is, and the fold's on the back. So it looks real nice on the front. It lets you read the spine, which is real nice. And then we have this second pocket right here. Now in that second pocket is where I typically slide in an inner sleeve or any other information that I may want to look at, because this record, this outer sleeve is now sealed. It is removable tape, but I don't have any intentions of ever opening that again because there's no reason to. So I usually just slide this in this second pocket. And then I take my record that I have in my sleeve that we did earlier, and I slide that in there. So what we end up with is our record, nice, fully protected, with a nice sleeve and easy access to your record and the inner sleeve information if you're interested from the back side there. Now this is for a single disc in a regular sleeve. What I'm going to be showing you next is how I work on a double album. I still clean all my brand new albums. And the reason being is they may have oil or some other contaminants that are on it from the manufacturing process. So I suggest cleaning even brand new vinyl because it oftentimes could be even filthier than something that's vintage. And when you're cleaning it, you're going to want to make sure you fold over your cloth periodically. You don't want to be picking up debris or deposits from one record and transferring it to the next. So now that the records are nice and clean, I already did the other one. We're going to put it into get it into the sleeve. Now we have our 2 discs ready to go. But I'm going to show you how I apply these sleeves, these double pocket sleeves, to a gatefold. Now you're going to need 2 of them. So that's why I have 2 of them out here. So you're going to start by taking your your gatefold album here with the cover facing up with the opening like this. Then you can take your first sleeve with the flap down with the opening towards you, flip this up and get this started. Slide that down, and then the flap, as you can see, is hanging off the back like this, off the spine edge. Then you're going to flip it over. You're going to get your second sleeve, and you're going to put that on. Okay? So now, what we really have here, we have the sleeve that's on the back overlapping, and it's going to tape on to the sleeve that we put on the front. And same back here. We have the sleeve from the front that's going to tape onto the one in the back, and that's how they're going to be joined together. So make sure they're on good. Go ahead and close it. Kind of pull on it a little bit, make sure things are snugged up good. And remove this tape. And stick this on the back. Then come around here and make sure this is slid down good. Flip this tab up. Peel off this tape. And then stick this down. So once you have that, you have a fully protected gatefold album. Now, where you're going to be putting your discs on this is there's a pocket here on the back side, just like with a single album. So we're going to take this and put disc 2 in this pocket back here. And then we're going to open it, and you have a pocket right here where we're going to put disc 1. So this is what you end up with. You have your gatefold album. You can open it, you can look at your gatefold, take your discs out nice without ever touching the inner sleeve ever again. Now there's one more scenario that I want to go over, and that is a single album gatefold. That's what this is. Now I'm not going to put the sleeves on, because putting the sleeve on is exactly the same as the double, except now we just have one disc that we need to put in here. And that you can either put in the back side, like we did the second disc of a 2-disc, or you could slide that in to the pocket that's in the inside. And the same with your sleeve. If you have the inner sleeve, if you want to keep that, you can put that either in the back or here. This is all personal preference, and it may vary from album to album depending on what you want to do. So again, these came from Vinyl Storage Solutions. They do not sponsor this channel in any way, shape, or form. I did not get free product from them, but I just really do like their product. So that's why I wanted to show you how those work, and you can just see how nice and shiny and bright your albums are going to look with these sleeves. So I hope this video helped you. I hope this helps you in your vinyl journey. I hope it helps you protect your collection and enjoy your collection. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.